Hey everyone, welcome to Flower of the Day series. I'm Deepika, an intuitive floral alchemist. Today's flower is pink lily. They are widely used in bouquets and floral arrangements. They stand for love, admiration, compassion, and femininity. Let us call the energy of pink lilies now. Take a deep breath and gently close your eyes. Imagine the pink lily in your mind's eye. Visualizing the beautiful pink color flower, showering away its gentle and soft energies in and around you. Pouring in pure and tender love, melting away any fear we might have due to our past traumas, bringing in more self-love and compassion, giving so much peace, serenity, and deep comfort. Beautiful. It's a very soothing energy that gently lightens our heart. Wonderful. Take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. If you like this video, do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.